Let's admit that makeup brushes are expensive. But what if you get an inexpensive makeup brush set that works really like high-end? So today I will review a full set of 15 full face makeup brushes from the brand HEYMKGO. I promise you will only need these 15 brushes for your makeup. I have achieved this look today by using 8 of the makeup brushes from the 15 pack. But before we begin, let's see what makes a makeup brush good quality and high-end. The bristles should be soft and not feel ragged. They should be held in place by a secure metal cap to prevent shredding. The brush hair should be gentle on the skin and should be smooth, supple and durable, and should not leave behind any brush strokes. Most inexpensive brushes are made with synthetic hair, but good quality synthetic hair mimics original hair very closely. A variety of shape allows you to work on different target points. Some brushes are made for cream products and some for powder products. For example, flat brushes are great for laying colors and blending large areas. Round brushes are ideal for blending smaller, more detailed areas. Here's a spoiler, I am literally surprised with the quality of brushes that HEYMKGO has come up with, and that too under just $15. And right now I just checked, if you buy it on Amazon, I think it's under $7 or $8 because of a sale going on. So you can get the link of the product in the description box below. Quickly go and grab this set of makeup brushes because you might miss this discount on Amazon. Apart from the use of these brushes, I think the company, the brand HEYMKGO, has put a lot of effort to make these brushes good quality. These brushes are vegan, these are eco-friendly, it's well made and looks expensive with all the logos and everything it comes with. The brushes come in different colors and the colors are really sophisticated. I also love this magnetic closure pouch in which these brushes come in. This makes it very handy, and you know, if you are somebody like me who don't want to keep your makeup brushes open, so in this way you can always keep it packed and handy. Even when you are traveling, it's just like you take this, put it in your bag and you're ready to go. I really like the packaging as well. So let's get started. First, I will use this concealer brush to color correct. This is a flat brush which is tightly packed and has a rounded tip. It is smaller in size, that is why it makes it very easy to reach the corners of your eyes, under eyes, the corner of your nose and mouth. For my foundation, I will be using this foundation brush. This brush is little small and that's why it goes to each and every corner of your face. This may take some time due to its smaller size, but overall it will give you a very neat and clean look. It does not leave behind any brush marks and give you extremely clean look, just as we get with a sponge. As a beginner, it is always good to work in smaller areas, and for that this brush is ideal. This foundation brush have fine, densely packed bristles. It's very soft and gentle on the skin. If you are someone with sensitive skin, then you will love the feel of these brushes. HEYMKGO brushes are cruelty-free, which means the bristles are made of synthetic fiber, but believe me, it's very soft and high quality. Next is this angular multifunctional brush, which is one of my favorites from this pack. You can use it for multiple purposes such as applying concealer, cream blush and contour. The angle on the brush gives you precision and it gently fits into the curve of your face really well. I am amazed to see such a versatile brush which cost just $1. I always love this kind of double-ended eyebrow brush which has a brush and a spoolie. It makes the work much easier and you don't have to juggle between brushes to groom your brows. The spoolie has an angular bend to it which makes it easier to comb your eyebrow hair. The eyebrow brush is a stiff and precise brush which makes eyebrow product application easy. You can use cream-based product like a brow pomade and powder products with this one. Next, I will use this eyeshadow brush to apply eyeshadow all over my lids. Again, the bristles are very soft and work smoothly on my skin. Next, I will use this pencil brush to apply a shadow on the crease of my eyelids and at the outer V. This pencil brush is stiff and allows you to apply eyeshadow with precision. Next, you have all the option to take any of the eyeshadow brushes that you have got in the set and blend your eyeshadow. Just make sure it has a fluffy end. To apply glitter shades, a flat eyeshadow brush will be a great option, but today I'm not working with glitter eyeshadows, so I'll keep my eye look simple. For my lower lash line, I am using this flat angular brush. This allows you to apply a precise eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Next, I will use this blush brush. It's fluffy, smooth and picks up the right amount of product. So as a beginner, you don't have to worry about picking too much product at one time. So this blush brush works really well with powder blushes. So just as I promised, you can achieve this beginner friendly makeup look with the help of these brushes. I have used just 8 brushes from the pack and I think that it performs just like high-end brushes that I own. So overall, my experience with these makeup brushes from the brand HEYMKGO is fantastic. If you are a beginner and looking for makeup brushes which are inexpensive and good quality, do go and grab them. Even if you are into makeup for a long time and looking out for makeup brushes which are inexpensive and you want to add to your collection, I think few of the brushes from this collection will amaze you and you'll love the quality of these brushes as well. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, write to me in the comment section below. I'll be so happy to answer you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all and bye-bye.